Hello everyone, welcome to Vikas Art Master YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the painting done on the fishing boat of Mr. Kiran Morkya, living in Vasai, Koivara. I am going to show you this step by step in how I have made this painting from the oil paint of Nerolac company. Then you must watch this video till the end. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe to my channel. As you subscribe is absolutely free. And also press the bell icon so that you keep getting notification of my new videos. If you like this video of mine, then do like it and also share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching my videos. मेरा वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद।